Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to edit on Vegas Pro, updated. Start by creating a project with the correct frame rate, resolution, and audio settings. Import all your clips into Project Media and arrange them into labeled folders for faster access. Drag clips to the timeline and trim rough cuts first, then refine transitions, color, and audio levels for a clean edit. In this video, I will show how to edit on Vegas Pro, updated. Learn to use the trim tool for precise cuts and the ripple edit to close gaps quickly. Add crossfades or custom transitions between clips and tweak their durations to suit pacing. Use velocity envelopes to craft smooth speed changes, then balance audio levels with track and clip gain controls for a professional sounding result. In this video, I will show how to edit on Vegas Pro, updated. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks from spilling on your keyboard and save cleanup time between edits. They seal tightly, stack nicely in your fridge, and make long sessions less messy. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to edit on Vegas Pro, updated. Start color work with color wheels to balance exposure and white point, then refine contrast with curves. For audio, remove background hiss and use EQ to make dialogue clear. Route tracks to buses for group control, and apply gentle compression or sidechain to keep music from overpowering speech for a polished final mix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.